So we bought a Swan, number 1, Swan 46, hull number 1. And we found a few perished and seized fixings that we're just painting and refurbishing. These are the doors. And we're just redoing things to give the boat a bit of a birthday.
Tell me about those hinges. What are you doing? What are
Cleaning
they?
off what's ever on them.
Is the boat in the water?
The tarnish, de-tarnishing, giving a bit of a refresh.
So what are they made out of?
Bronze.
How do you know that?
I don't. I'm just guessing here.